How do filmmakers produce masterpieces? Every filmmaker has their own style, their own mastery. Every one of us is great at something. We have our own skill to master. Christopher Nolan still uses film cameras for his films because that's his style. It is his own style of filmmaking. Here, you learn what could be your style for filmmaking. What is your style? What is your way of producing films? If you don't know your style yet, just film every day. Then soon, you'll surely learn what you love about filmmaking. You'll learn where you're great at. You can even just practice the styles of your favorite filmmakers. Learn what you're able to get from them, and even improve their own styles. Why? Why should you use your own style? The answer is simple: creativity. I'm sure you don't want others to have the same style as yours. Like I did on my film When I'm Old. Although it didn't stand out, I found my style, my way of filmmaking. It's my own style, and many will like it, and few will not. How can you create your own style? Just film every day. Learn and know what you love about filmmaking. How will your style stand out from the others? First, it may be new or never seen before. And second, by being the best version of the style itself. If your style is not standing out yet, maybe you haven't mastered it yet. Like the style I use on my film. It didn't stand out because it was just my first time using it, and yet I saw many potential about it. And for you, create your style using what you love about filmmaking. When should you use your style? This is the point. You need to be you. You must create an originality, a creativity for filmmaking. The world needs what is new, something interesting. You know that we are born with differences, so we have different styles, and we have different references. So create that style as soon as possible. Film every day and learn it every day.